So I'm done with all my shopping and I put everything back into its containers. And here are some examples of some fun color containers that you can pick up. And they're great for family stuff, for labels if you have different kids and stuff. Each kid can have a different color. And I also chose to use clear containers for most of this bathroom that I did because clear is, you know, a nice elegant touch, and it's something that is classic and you're never going to get sick of. So this is a basic 18-inch drawer organizer, and this is perfect for makeup. So what I've done is I've used every single bit of space in here efficiently without jam packing the drawers, because it's really important not to overstuff anything. So if you're finding that you still have too much to containerize, then maybe you didn't purge so much. It's never too late to go back and purge a few more items. So what I've done is I've separated by category and put them back into the container. And I've mixed and matched my containers. This one along with this one. For big brushes, we have small brushes. We also have lip items, and then also for all your eye makeup. And then I always use every bit of space that I can. So these are just loose back here, and then this is a nice little easy access to some more makeup.